This is Mark Isselhart, Maple Specialist with the University of Vermont Extension, and this is another Vermont Maple Minute. Access to a sugar bush is critical for installing and repairing sap collection equipment, tapping and managing crop trees, and responding to the effects of natural disturbances. Quality access to the sugar bush relies on a road and trail system that can handle the appropriate vehicles needed in the operation at all times of the year. Trails and roads must also be designed to handle significant precipitation events without washing out. When designed and installed correctly, water bars are a critical investment in preserving the trail and road system. Water bars divert water from the road before it can pick up speed and erode the road surface. There are a few key elements to correctly installing water bars. The cost of repairing significant road damage far exceeds the costs of installing and maintaining water bars. The slope of a road or trail will determine the spacing between water bars. The steeper the slope, the more water bars are needed. A typical water bar will consist of a channel dug somewhere between 8 and 10 inches deep, with a downhill berm of approximately equal height that completely crosses the road. Water bars that do not cover the entire width of the trail will allow water to pass. To be effective, water bars must not be installed at right angles to the road. 30 degrees is ideal. The end of the water bar will empty out into a runoff area and allow the water to settle. Keeping the water bars free of leaves, silt, and debris will ensure it's ready to function when needed. This is Mark Isselhart, Maple Specialist with the University of Vermont Extension, and this has been another Vermont Maple Minute.